Hello everyone, welcome to Opportunity Circle, the number one opportunities discovering platform. Opportunity Circle is back with another application guide video. Italy is one of the finest places to learn and exchange new ideas. This leadership program would be beneficial to international youth in many ways. Fellows will get a chance to attend workshop, training sessions, skill development sessions, conferences and other events aimed at improving their professional abilities and work. The fully funded EUI Leadership Program is a global network of policy makers in their early and mid-career stages from worldwide. At the EUI, fellows will also have the chance to meet with other fellows, policy makers and professionals related to academic. The duration of the fully funded fellowship program varies from 5 months to 10 months. Scholarships are available. There will be no extension after acceptance. Transnational Governance School fellows spend 5 months engaging with the school's community and eventually presenting their work to a broader audience, producing at least one publication, participating in the school's training program and attending EUI seminars and workshops. Fellows who stay for the entire academic year will work on significant international initiatives that have the potential to break new ground, often combining with other organizations to create a multiplier impact. It is an excellent opportunity for young people who want to gain knowledge, to build professional skills and visit one of the top countries in Europe. Young people should also check the fully funded CERN summer internship program. The fellowships will last 5 to 10 months between September 22 and June 2023. So don't miss this chance to visit one of the best countries in Europe, apply for the EUI leadership program and get trained under the mentorship of the world's best professionals and mentors. The eligibility criteria to apply for the EUI program in Italy 2022: young professionals in their early careers can demonstrate professional experience and the potential for future competence in the policy realm. Fellows must be sincerely interested in policy concerns, especially global governance. They must be self-motivated and offer a detailed work plan for the fellowship to show what will be completed and how their work will result in a multiplier impact after the fellowship has ended. Fellows must be members of EUI community who participate in peer conversations on topics beyond their area of expertise. Benefits of this fellowship program: each fellow will get a monthly stipend of 2,500 euros, a housekeeping stipend of 300 euros, monthly payment of 200 euros is given to each autonomous child, medical expenditures are covered, travel expenses will be provided. Required documents to apply for this fellowship program: CV, letter of motivation, work plan, educational certificates, reference letter, work article sample and language proficiency certificates. To apply for this program, click on the link given in the description section of this video, and after clicking on that link, you will be redirected to the Opportunity Circle webpage. After reading all the details about the fellowship program, scroll down towards the application process section and read the application process, and then click on apply now to start your application process. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and new videos. Don't forget to join the official groups of Opportunity Circle on WhatsApp and Telegram, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates and new opportunities. After clicking on apply now, you will be redirected to the European University Institute application. If you have already created an account, you have to log in or you have to create an account. Click on register here on the left bottom corner. Have you been or you are currently enrolled on an EUI academic program, or do you have an active application account? Select yes or no. After selecting no, you will be redirected to the online form. You have to add in your personal details: your family name, your first name, your gender, your date of birth, your country of birth, your place of birth, nationality and your second nationality, contact details, personal email address, password. Confirm your password, add your mobile number and then click on register. After registering, you will be redirected to this account. You have to add in your postal address. In the reference section, you have to register your referees. You have to add in details about one referee. You have to invite your referee. Add in the referee title, first name, family name, email address, telephone number, institution, and then click on continue. Do you want to apply for 5 months or 10 months? You can do that by choosing max 3 areas from the list below, or by defining your thematic area under other in the provided list. What does your work area relate to? Which area does your work relate to? Second choice and third choice. Intended contribution to program's activities, and then click on continue. Then you have to give details about your professional background, your current position, current institution, highest degree obtained, and institute conferring degree. Then your language skills: what is your mother tongue and what evidence of English proficiency do you have? Further information: if awarded a fellowship, would you be able to fully commit your time to the fellowship? Select yes or no. How did you hear about the policy leadership fellowships? Have you been a researcher fellow at the EUI in the past? Have you applied to any program of the EUI before? An additional note. Then you have to submit your documents. All attachments must be in PDF format. Provide a short biography in the space provided and attach your CV below, your title or work plan. Provide a short abstract of your work plan in the space provided below. Provide a short abstract of your motivation letter and attach the full motivation letter. Please provide minimum 1 and max 3 samples of work. The work samples should not be more than 5 years old, and attach your highest degree transcript and then click on continue. After attaching all the documents, the final step is submission. After submitting your application, you will be contacted. Thank you so much for your interest in this video. We hope that this video is helpful for you, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.